Welcome back, guys. This is the templates section, templates, and what the templates are. These are the messages that your customers will see when you request your reviews. Okay, so you've got 3 templates. Okay, this is the email templates. Alright, you've got your 1, 2, 3 templates. Okay, emails. Alright, so let's start at the top here. Alright, so this is your email heading. This is a subject line. So generally you will just place your name or your business name in here, whatever your customer is most likely to know you by, and open the email. Okay, so you will already have these preloaded in your account, these emails. Okay, so I've had these written by a copywriter, and they are purely just there to inspire you and help you write your message to your customer. So go through that and edit them or change them completely as you see fit. Okay, the rules are, where it says customer name, okay, you need to, what it will do, it will put your customer's name in there. It won't show that when they read it. That's just a dynamic value that how this system works. Okay, so whatever your customer's name, where you request your testimonial, when you type it in here, your customer's name, that's where it pulls it from. Okay, alright, so it's easier to just copy and paste wherever you want it, when you are doing the editing, unless you're just comfortable doing that. It's no big deal. Okay, same with the business name. That's where your business name will go, and the review link is where they will click and they'll proceed down the funnel to leave a review for you guys. It's pretty self-explanatory, straightforward. Now, the first one will go straight away as soon as you send it from your request page. Okay, so when it gets to the second email, you can set how many days after the first email. I like to do 1. You guys might think your business needs to do anywhere between 1 and 7. It's entirely up to yourself. And then the third is the same again, and that is how many days after the second mail, not the first mail. Okay, it's pretty self-explanatory. Always remember, click the button at the bottom to change your templates, save your changes. Okay, now up the top here you've got SMS templates also, which will open up that page. Same rules apply with the customer name and the review link. Okay, if you're going to request your testimonials using both SMS and email, set these the same spacings as you did on your email templates. Okay, the amount of how long it is between each message that goes out. Okay, if there's any problems with that explanatory that I've given you there, just shoot us a message in the on my email link that's in tutorials. It's not there now, but it will be when you're watching this, and happy to help you out. So that's the templates, and thanks for listening, and chat to you in the next one.